Hey friends, if you encounter the audio renderer error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, the main resolution is to restart the Windows audio service. A lot of users have confirmed that it works. But before anything else, unplug and replug the audio device. Be it a speaker, be it a headphone, be it anything, even a mic. You can unplug and replug it. After that, you can restart the Windows audio service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services window. Now scroll down to the Windows audio service, right click on it and select restart. Okay. The next solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Now, how would we run the audio troubleshooter? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot and click on other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter, and you will be directed to the get help page where you'll get help with it. The last solution is to update the audio drivers, and I suggest updating all of them. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on each one of them and update them. Okay, right click on this one and update it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.